Welcome to this quick meditation to bring you into the present moment. Roll your shoulders to allow further relaxation. And connect to your breath. Deepening your breath, allowing your body to relax more and more with each exhale. Imagine this stream of light flowing into your mind. And as it touches, your mind relaxes and stays present. And you can feel this effects in your body as well. Feeling your face relax, your jaw relax, your shoulders and your neck relax as your mind keeps relaxing. Your hips relax, your legs relax, your ankles relax, and your feet relax. Take another deep breath in and out. Anytime you see your thoughts wandering, softly keep pulling your focus back. You are in full control of your mind. And the more you relax, your thoughts relax, the more your body softens, your thoughts soften. You're finding it easier and easier to keep your mind open, your thoughts soft. Keep breathing. That light is still massaging your mind, relaxing your mind, relaxing your mind. And it's easy. It's easy to focus right here, right now, with me. Allow yourself to have this moment to yourself by being with yourself. Keep breathing. Now bring your palms together at your chest and bow your head down to your heart. And just feel this energy of love. Surround you. Moving through your body. Keep breathing. You are right here, right now, feeling the energies of this present moment. And it's easy. And you love soaking in this feeling. Keep breathing. Now place your hands and your palms on your heart. Feel your heart beating and the love beating through your heart. Start breathing as if you are breathing through your heart. Connecting deeper and deeper to this feeling of gratitude and love and peace. Connecting to this moment. And now you can either remain in this meditation, or you can start blinking your eyes back open. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.